Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from cell organelles and cell division. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. Who observed the living cells for the first time? Robert Hooke observed the cells for the first time. He observed the cell in cork cells, which is a dead cell. But here it is clearly mentioned who observed the living cells for the first time. So the living cells were first identified by Leeuwenhoek. The portion of cytoplasm other than cell organelles is called. The portion of cytoplasm other than cell organelles is called hyaloplasm, whereas the portion of cell other than the nucleus is cytoplasm. The term protoplasm was given by Purkinje. Controlling center of the cell is nucleus is called as the controlling center of the cell. The non-living part of the cell is, when coming to the cell, the non-living part is cell wall, but it is produced and maintained by the living protoplasm. The term plasma lemma is coined by Plover. Synthesis of RNA and ribosome is the main function of nucleolus. Pheoplasts contain which pigment? Pheoplasts contain the pigment fucoxanthin, and it mostly occurs in diatoms, dinoflagellates and the brown algae. Camillo Golgi observed Golgi body in which of the following? He observed the Golgi bodies in nerve cells of cat and the nerve cells of owl. Synthesis of lipid and glycogen is the main function of. The synthesis of lipids and glycogen is the main function of the Golgi body. Centrioles are found in. Centrioles are the structures which are helpful for the cell division. That means they are helpful for the formation of the spindle apparatus during the cell division process, and they are found in animal cells, but they are absent in the plant cells. Endoplasmic reticulum was first observed by Porter in the liver cells of the rat, and they are composed of cisternae, vesicles and the tubules. Organelles associated with glycolate metabolism is, peroxisomes are the organelles which are associated with glycolate metabolism. They have enzymes related to the glycolate metabolism such as the glycolate oxidase, reductase and catalase. These were discovered by Talbot, and they are present both in plants and animals, but the spirosomes which store the lipids are present only in the animals. Vacuoles are surrounded by a selectively permeable membrane, which is tonoplast. Which organelle provides the passage of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm? Endoplasmic reticulum is the organelle which helps in the movement of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm. Which organelle is known as digestive vacuole? The lysosomes are known as the digestive vacuoles because they have the hydrolytic enzyme and they clean the debris. They contain the acid phosphatases, acid ribonucleases, acid deoxyribonuclease which clean the debris. So they are known as the digestive vacuoles. Golgi bodies usually arise from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum will become the smooth endoplasmic reticulum when there will be the formation of the Golgi bodies. Which of the following is absent in middle lamella? Middle lamella is the structure which separates both the cells, and the main component of the middle lamella is calcium and magnesium pectates, and it does not have cellulose in its membrane. Group of units which constitute stroma and grana lamellae are. Quantasomes are the units which constitute stroma and grana lamellae. They are associated with the electron transport and photophosphorylation. Mitochondria was first time observed by Kolliker, and he called them as granules. But later on, Benda gave the name mitochondria. Ribosomes in plant cells were discovered by. The ribosomes in the plant cells were discovered by Robinson and Brown, whereas the ribosomes in animal cells were discovered by Palade. Microtubules are composed of. Microtubules are composed of a protein, tubulin. Universal components of all biological organisms are. Ribosomes are known as the universal components of all biological organisms because these are the structures which are present in each and every organism. Colorless plastids which store proteins, lipids and starch are. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastids which store proteins, lipids and starch. When they store the starch, they are the amyloplasts. Yellowplasts store the lipids and proteinoplasts store the proteins. Moving on to the next question. Interphase mainly consists of. Interphase is the phase between two dividing phases, that is between two M phases, and it mainly consists of G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. An imaginary plane that lies at the center of the cell through which spindle apparatus passes is. It is called as the equatorial plate, and all the chromosomes arranged on the equatorial plate during the metaphase. Stage at which the DNA replication takes place is. In mitosis, the DNA replication takes place only in the S phase, that is the DNA duplication takes place. 1C will convert into 2C or 2C will convert into 4C in the S phase. But in meiosis, the DNA replication takes place in S phase as well as in the zygotine. Movement of chromosomes towards their respective orientation on equatorial plate during metaphase is. The movement of chromosomes and the arrangement on the equatorial plate is metakinesis, and it takes place during the metaphase. Term mitosis was coined by. Mitosis was coined by the scientist Fleming, and meiosis, that is the reductional division, was coined by Farmer and Moore. If telomeres of homologous chromosomes lie on the equatorial plate, then it is called. If telomeres lie on the equatorial plate, that is co-orientation, and it takes place in meiosis. Whereas if the centromeres lie on the equatorial plate with their arms on either sides, it is known as the auto-orientation, and it takes place in mitosis. Thread-like chromosomes in nucleus occurs in which phase? In prophase, chromosomes appear thread-like. Meiosis was described by. Meiosis, which is the reductional division, was discovered by Van Baden in roundworm of Ascaris, whereas the term meiosis was given by Farmer and Moore. Decondensation of chromosomes occur in. The decondensation of chromosomes occur in telophase. If bivalents fail to separate, it is called as. If the bivalents fail to separate, it is called as desynapsis. Pairing between homologous chromosomes is synapsis, and if the homologous chromosomes fail to pair, then it is asynapsis. Synaptonemal complex was proposed by. The term synaptonemal complex was proposed by Moses. DNA replication takes place in which stage of meiosis? In mitosis, it is only the S phase, but in meiosis, it takes place in S phase, and a small portion, that is only 0.3% DNA replication takes place also in the prophase 1, that is in the zygotine stage of prophase 1 of meiosis. 4-strand stage of chromosomes is seen in. The 4-strand stage of chromosomes is seen in the Pachytene stage of prophase 1. C value of 1C is present in which stage of meiosis? It is present in anaphase 2 and telophase 2. The term chromosome was coined by. The term chromosome was coined by Valdeir, but the chromosomes were discovered by Strasburger. C value in S phase of interphase is. It is 4C. Which of the following phase does not have 2C content of chromosomes? In metaphase 1 of meiosis, there will not be 2C content of chromosomes. In G1, prophase 2 of meiosis, and telophase of mitosis, all these stages there will be 2C content of chromosomes. Here a table is given regarding the C values at each and every stage of mitosis and meiosis. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agrico's World for more content related to agriculture.